What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy green bean casserole. Thanksgiving's right around the corner, and we got to get ready, boy, and we got to do it quick. So let's go! That's right, boy. Some green bean casserole. A Thanksgiving side staple. Now, if you've ever had green bean casserole before, chances are this might be a little different than what you've had. Because this is my way to do it. I'm going to show you an easy way. No bake. No need. I'm going to show you how to do it. Because you know Thanksgiving, when you go to Thanksgiving and you're in the kitchen, that oven is already full of all kinds of shit. And what happens is you got the turkey on, you got Grandma Betty's old sweet potato casserole going in there, you got some old this, you got some old that, and there's no room for a green bean casserole. So I figured out how to make it right here like I'm doing, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. The first thing that we're going to do is cook up some hog boil. We're going to put some bacon in there because I know we got old Big Bird's butt on the table, but we want some bacon in there too just to give it a little extra texture because you know everything is better with bacon. So I went ahead and I just got some thick cut bacon today and I put it in the pan and let it fry. And we know all about cooking that bacon, don't we? You know, we've done it before. And if you know how to flip the bacon, if you've been watching, you got to get you a bacon fork, sir, because you can put that fork in there and stick it down, and when you flip that bacon over, it's going to flip over perfectly and you can stretch it out and it's going to cook good. So we will get the bacon in there. Once you get your bacon done, I want you to go ahead and pull it off and set it to the side. And you know, just like family members coming over for Thanksgiving, you don't want it to stay in there too long. It's got to get out. You got to get out of here. You get done and you go. So you take that bacon out, put it to the side, and then we're going to grab this old big axe here and kind of chop it up into bits, baby. And you're saying, Black Hour, was it necessary to come at us with the axe like Paul Bunyan? No, but if you got it, flaunt it, and I got it. So you go ahead and chop that bacon up, and then we'll be ready to assemble. And since we're doing this all easy peasy, we're ready right now. So let me show you what I'm talking about. First thing that you want to do is get your old can opener here. It's like Doc Holliday in the kitchen. So, and you cut this can of green beans open. Now today, I have got some cut green beans. You can use French style if you like, but to me, they're a little more stringy. I like that girth on that green bean. So go ahead and cut those open and dump them down into your casserole dish. Next, you will take the chopped bacon, the old hog in there, and put that down in there too, generously, sir. So now I want you to grab your Campbell's cream of mushroom soup, and what this is going to do is it's going to give it a good hearty flavor, and it's also kind of going to bind the thing together and make it good. So put that Campbell's in there, and every time I see a can of Campbell's around this time of year, excuse me, I'm getting choked up just thinking about it because it brings me back. Gives me the vapors like driving Miss Daisy. But you know, back when they had that old commercial where that little boy went outside to play and he came inside and he was a damn whole snowman coming inside and he ate that thing of Campbell's chicken noodle and he melted in the kitchen. That's how you're going to feel eating this. All your troubles are going to melt away and you're going to love it. So back to it. Go ahead and take your can of Campbell's cream of mushroom soup and you're going to scrape that down in there as well. Now, last but not least, because you're going to need this too, a little whole milk, sir, just to make it, you know, even Steven. You don't want it too thick, you don't want it too thin, you want it right. So we're going to drizzle a little bit of milk in there too, and then I want you to take your fork and stir. Oh, that mango. We got to hydrate and stir, hydrate and stir. Yeah, I love it. And you're going to love this because, you know, like I said, the thing about it, it's going to be quick, it's going to be simple, and it's going to be good. And now that we've got it mixed up good, I want you to go ahead and we're going to stick it in the microwave because like I said, the oven's full, turkey's going on, we can't interrupt that. So go ahead and put it in your microwave for about 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, somewhere just to where it gets hot. Stir it, try it again, stir it, try it again. And you know what, speaking of trying it again, before we do, because I've got a little feeling here. You see? What did I forget? That you was probably at home going, black hole. Those songs, baby, just a flavor. The flavor. You will forget it. No, I'm not. Sprinkle. Just a little bit. And some of that black pepper too. Yeah, now we're talking. Do a little more stir. Sir. And then we're going to spread it out. It's already kind of good. That's how you know it's right. And we'll put it in the microwave now. Now, we'll put it in this microwave, we'll pull it out, and we are going to be ready to take a view of this beautiful green bean casserole here, sir. And then we can sit down and drink these beers and watch Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. You know what I'm talking about? I love that movie. Old John Candy's ass. But I digress. Let's impress your eyes and your gut. Looky. Alright, baby, the time has come. The green bean casserole is done. And I'm having the first bite for this old turkey right here, boy. So, think a little bit of that bacon on there, boy. Ooh. You know what? That bacon really sets it off. I was gonna say I ain't got time for that shit and get some old bacon bits, but I'm glad I made the time. And you know, it's kind of what Thanksgiving's all about. You take a little time, you take a little time and you just kind of leave your problems outside the door. You go see the people you love. You make some good food. And that's kind of where this show comes from, is, my memories of Thanksgiving and being in the kitchen with my family, because that's where my love of cooking came from. Being in there with Grandma and watching her make the meal, and being in there with my dad and helping him make the dumplings and the stuffing and all the good things, That's where it comes from, baby. So, it's a great time just to stand back and be thankful. And I'm definitely thankful for this mango. Excuse me. Can't beat it. But, I'm also thankful for all of you. And I want to thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. Now, you can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, with that being said, I hope that you have a happy Thanksgiving, baby. I hope that it's warm and wonderful. And I hope you get something good to eat. And you just get a break and enjoy your time, baby. Enjoy. So, cheers to you. Happy Thanksgiving. And I'll see you next time, baby.